Okay, we have two more examples. I'm going to show you how to find the zeros, roots, x-intercept solutions through solving using the quadratic formula. But before we do that, I have a board slapper for you guys. Okay, what do baby parabolas drink? Which remember, parabolas come from a quadratic equation. They drink quadratic formula. Board slapper. That was great. Okay, so that hopefully made you smile a little bit. But anyway, so the final two example problems that we're going to be doing, again, you're solving the same way that we did in the first two examples using the quadratic formula. Don't forget this side of the equation or one side of your equation must be 0. Okay, but on these two examples, you're going to be getting some different kind of strange answers. So I just kind of wanted to give you some background on that before we dive into example 3 and 4. So example 3, you're going to get something called a double root. So what that means is you're going to get the same answer twice. So you're going to get something like x equals 10, x equals 10. Now, a double root does count as 2 zeros. Okay, but we're going to call it a one solution because you only get one type of answer. You get x equals 10. Okay, but it still does count as 2 separate zeros, so just be careful. Example 4, you're going to solve using the quadratic formula again, except on 4, you're going to get a negative sign under your square root. And what type of numbers appear, or what type of numbers have negative signs underneath the square root? Holy hot dog, that would be an imaginary number or a complex number. In this case, it's going to be complex because we're going to have a real and an imaginary component. Okay, so when you solve on this one, you will get complex solutions, which means an I will appear in your answer. Okay, so let's get started on example 3 and 4.